Hi guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of Page Property with AMCI Home. So, kamusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So, right now guys, we're here at the Alder Residences in Acacia Estates, Taguig City. So, I will give you the update on this project, kung ano ba yung meron ngayon. So, tara guys. So, ngayon guys, papasok tayo dito ngayon. So, this is the entrance area. So, ito yung sasalubong sa atin, yung security system natin na meron dito. And also guys, as we enter, this is the area for the amenities of the Alder Residences. So, napakalaki nung kanyang drop-off area. And by the way guys, this is the first building, which is the Andea building. So, this building is just turnover last 2 months ago. So ang next building natin na mag-turnover is si Manzuria, which is October. So dito guys, makikita naman natin na ito yung picnic and garden area niya. So we could see here the grilling station, the grilling area. So meron tayong mga tables and chairs. Yan yung mga barbecue pits natin na nandyan. And also guys, yung tatlong pool natin. So we have the leisure pool plus the lap pool. So nakakonekta yung leisure pool and lap pool. And the kiddie pool is at the back. So tara, punta tayo dito. So here guys, makikita natin yung 4 na building na meron tayo. So the first building is Andea. The second building is Manzuria. And the third building is the Oregon building. And the last building, the fourth building is the Silvan building. So here guys, makikita naman natin dito. Napakaganda nung design niya. And nakita natin may spillway siya dito. So hindi mababasa yung road natin, yung dadaanan natin. And ito guys, yung kiddie pool natin. Diyan siya naka-allocate. And ito guys, meron pang amenity area dito na hindi pa tapos. So ito, makikita nyo naman dito, naka-cover up pa siya. So that will be open once the construction is complete. So ngayon guys, punta tayo ngayon kay Andea building. So if you will to ask me, how many floors meron si Alder? So, lahat ng building is consisting of 19 floors. So, meron tayong roof deck. Tapos yung roof deck natin, naka 360 degree view siya. So, meaning wala siyang obstruction. At makikita natin yung mga view ng Makati, BGC, and Laguna Bay. And also guys kasi, we have 2 basement level parking here. So, sa lahat ng mga buildings, meron tayong 2 basement level. Then here guys, this is the lobby lounge area, which is nasa under siya ni Andea building. So, you will see here, doon sa dulo, that's the co-working space. So, meron tayong elevator na nandito, which is 4 elevator cabs. So, yan ang isang elevator dito kay Andea. So, kung each building kasi, meron tayong taga-4 na cabs. So, ito guys, kung add up, so we have a mini garden or the pocket garden here. So, it's facing the mahogany tree. So, actually guys, hindi naman siya eyesore sa ano natin. So, makikita naman natin dito na napakaganda pa rin ng mga plant box. So, yung hangin dito ngayon, napakalakas. So, makikita naman natin sa buhok ko na ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan. So, it's still well ventilated. Yung meron tayo dito. So, tara guys, punta naman tayo sa roof deck. Guys, we're here now at the roof deck of Andea Building in other residences. So makikita natin ngayon yung 360-degree view na meron tayo dito. So tara. So ito nga guys, ang ating view ngayon dito is napakaganda. So we have the 360-degree view of the city and the Antipolo Mountain. So unahin muna natin dito. So meron tayo dito yung Rizal view or yung Antipolo Mountain view. Yan. And also yung mga buildings na nakikita natin dyan. Natin yung Eastwood City and Ortigas. So ngayon, unahin muna natin dito. So here guys, makikita naman natin dito ang Laguna area. So Laguna de Bay, it's just there. So ilang kilometers away lang siya from here. So makikita naman natin dito na napakahangin niya. And yung sunrise kasi guys, dyan manggagaling. Going to that way, papuntang Manila Bay. So meaning to say, ang Manila is nandun. And at nandun din yung ating airport. And ito guys, nandyan ang Alabang, Tinlupa o yung Philinvest City, nandyan. And nandun naman ang Pasay area. And makikita natin dito yung Arca South. And as we walk here, so nandito naman ang ating McKinley Hill, BGC area. We have the Ortigas area, the Ortigas Center, and we have the Eastwood City. So ito guys, napakaganda ng view natin dito, lalong-lalo na kung magsa-sunset. So makikita naman natin dito yung ating sun na magse-set dito sa direction na to. So napakaganda magiging natin dito guys. And guys, if ever you have any questions about this project, we still have a lot of inventories here for the 2-bedroom. So guys, if you are interested about this project, just feel free to contact me or reach me at these contact details. So it's Mike Page Property. So guys, marami pa tayong inventories here for the 2 bedrooms. Please grab this opportunity guys habang maraming pang units dito. So Alder Residences is one of the upgraded projects of the MCI Homes. Tsaka napakalaki ng unit cut sizing na dito. If you want to have a site tripping or a Zoom meeting with me, just message me guys. Maraming salamat guys and have a great day ahead and God bless.